Hello student, today we discuss about division of a polynomial by monomials. Exercise 7.7. Here is a question number 1. Here is a polynomials which contain more than one term. Here is a monomials. So we can divide this term by this term. This 7 square is divided by every term. First we divide by 14a की power 4, then minus 7a cube and then 14a square. First 14a की power 4 upon 7a square minus 7a cube upon 7a square and plus 14a square upon 7a square. Now these are multiple of each other, so 7 1 is 7 and 7 2 is 14. Here 7 7 cut. Similarly here 7 1 is 7 or 7 2 is 14. So here use alternative method. A remainder 2a की power 4 into a की power minus 2. यहाँ पर a स्क्वायर डिवाइड में था, जब ये ऊपर आया तो इसकी पावर माइनस हो गई, माइनस a की पावर 3 एंड ये प्लस का है, ऊपर आएगा माइनस का a की पावर माइनस 2 प्लस 2 यहाँ पर a की पावर 2 इंटू a की पावर माइनस 2. Here we same power add, then 2a 4 minus 2 minus base same power add 3 minus 2 plus base same power add 2 plus and minus का 2 a की पावर 4 minus 2 2a square minus a की पावर 3 minus 2 a की पावर 1 प्लस 2 a की पावर 2 minus 2 a की पावर 0. So here left 2a square. A की पावर 1 can be written as a and a की पावर 0 can be written as 2 into 1, which is equal to 2a square minus a plus 2. This is a required answer. Now question number 2. 24a cube b cube plus 16a square b minus 12ab square by 4ab. हम इस पोलिनोमियल को इस मोनोमियल से डिवाइड करेंगे. सो हेयर 24a क्यूब b क्यूब डिवाइडेड बाय 4ab प्लस 16a स्क्वायर b स्क्वायर a स्क्वायर b अपॉन 4ab minus 12ab square upon 4ab. Here 4 1 is 4 and 4 6 is 24. Here 4 1 is 4, 4 4 is 16, and here 4 1 is 4 and 4 3 is 12. Here we left 6 a की power 3 b की power 3 and this comes in here, then power is negative. Similarly power of b is minus 1 plus 4 a square b, then power minus 1 and b की power minus 1, then minus 3 a b square and a की power minus 1 and b की power minus 1. Now we arrange a cube into a की power minus 1, b cube into b की power minus 1 plus 4 a square into a की power minus 1 b into b की power minus 1 minus 3 a into a की power minus 1 and b square into b की power minus 1. Here again base same, so power add a की power 3 minus 1, 3 minus 1. And here base same power add b की power 3 minus 1 plus 4 a की power 2 minus 1, then b 1 minus 1, then minus a की power 1 minus 1, b की power 2 minus 1. Here 3 minus 1 is 6a square, b square 3 minus 1 2 plus 4 2 minus 1 a, b की power 1 minus 1 0 into, and b की power 0 is 1, so we can written as b की power 0 and here a की power 1 minus 3 a की power 0 b की power 1. Here we left 6a square b square plus here b की power 0 is 1, so we left 4a, a1 is written as a, minus a की power 0 is 1, so minus 3 minus 3b. That is the required answer. With the help of these two questions, you can solve the exercise up to question number 5. If you have any doubt, then ask me. Thank you.